equals your Acer N19H2 won't turn on. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. A laptop not turning on can be due to a faulty battery or power supply connection. We check these components and replace any damaged parts to get your Acer N19H2 back up and running smoothly. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.